everyone! Today we're going to talk about shapes and patterns in art. So let's talk about shapes first. A shape is a geometric figure, such as a square, triangle, or a circle. And these are what they look like. Square, that's a triangle, and that's a circle. And there's so many different types of shapes. Those are not the only ones. So then, what is a pattern? Patterns are a design that's repeated over and over again. So for an example, this is a pattern with stars. This is a pattern, a checkerboard pattern. The squares repeat over and over again. And stripes are a pattern too. They just repeat over and over again. Remember, this is camouflage. Camouflage can be a pattern too. So now it's time to draw. All you need is a pencil and some crayons. So since it's Thanksgiving time, I thought we would draw a turkey. So the first thing you're going to draw on your paper, in the middle of your paper, is a circle. And this is going to be your turkey's body. Next, we're going to draw the neck. So I'm going to draw two kind of curved lines going up right out of that circle. And another smaller circle on top to show the head. And a triangle coming out of the side to show his beak. And we're going to do a little wiggly line to show that skin that's underneath the turkey's beak that comes down. So a little wiggly line. And for the feathers, we're just going to make ovals, and we're going to start on one side. You can start on the left or the right, and you're going to go all the way around the top behind the head, making those ovals. We're going to come back down to the bottom. Now we're going to draw the feet, which are just kind of these two kind of like curved rectangle shapes coming down. And then we're going to draw the kind of like their claws. So those are kind of triangular. You can see they have a point to them at the end. And I'm going to draw the ground. So my turkey has a place to stand. And an oval eye. Now we're going to get to the patterns. In each section, so in each of the feathers, you are going to draw a different pattern. So in my first one, I'm going to do zigzag lines. In my second one, I'm going to do stripes. My third, I'm going to do some polka dot shapes, some small circles and some large circles. In my fourth feather, I'm going to do some wiggly lines. Now you can't really see the feather behind my turkey's head, so I'm not really adding a pattern onto that one. So I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to do some more stripes. These ones are diagonal stripes this time. And I'm going to do some more zigzag lines. You can repeat the same patterns over and over again. If you want to do polka dots on your whole turkey, that's totally fine. I'm just showing you different patterns that you can do. This one, I'm going to do some shapes. These are triangles. So now we're going to color our turkey in, and you can color it in however you want. You can use crayons, you can use markers, you can use colored pencils, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to use some festive Thanksgiving colors. I'm going to use brown and yellow and orange and red, but you can use whichever colors you want. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm adding a background, and you can do whatever you want in your background. If you want to add some trees and some nice fall leaves on the ground, you can do that. I'm just going to draw some grass for my turkey to stand on, and then I'm going to draw blue sky in the background. but make sure you add something in your background because it'll really add to your picture. There you have it, your patterns and shapes turkey. Be sure to send me your work, guys. Happy Thanksgiving!